Grammarly keyboard is the only keyboard with an amazing writing assistant. In this video, we'll learn to use it on this iPhone. So, let's get started. Alright, let's open it the first time. Tap next a few times to get to this page. Enable the notifications if you want to. This screen is important because we need to sign in to our Grammarly account. I have an account linked to Google, so I'll click the option. It will open up a page to select my Google account. Once done, the next step is to enable the keyboard. Tap this button to go to the settings. If this page does not open, go to the phone settings and scroll down to find Grammarly. Tap keyboards and then check this button. A new option will appear and we must do the same. Then tap the allow button. Great! The keyboard has been added. Let's go back. To activate it, click this world icon. All set. This is the Grammarly app interface. We'll explore it a bit later, but let's see how the keyboard works first. Now that it's active, you'll see it everywhere. As you type, it will check your text and suggest mistakes. The latest error is displayed on this row. You can just tap on it to fix it. Or tap the icon to open the revision screen. Swipe left to see each mistake and fix it. As you keep doing that, Grammarly will show errors one by one. To the left, you'll see your writing tone. This is just to help you see your style. You can check those if you think those are correct. The Grammarly keyboard has built-in AI now. This pencil icon is to do some AI stuff. First, select the text you want to work on. On the next page, you'll see prompts. We can select one and see the magic happen. Suppose I want to improve my text. I'll click on it. Here we go. We have the improved version of the text now. We can replace the existing text with this one, copy it, or rephrase it. There are many other prompts that can help in different scenarios. To change the keyboard back to iOS, just tap the same world icon, or tap and hold on to it to see all the keyboards. Alright, let's open the Grammarly app now. Those are all my documents saved on the Grammarly cloud. I created those using the Grammarly's web editor. We can open and edit any or create a new document. Also, as we are already in the Grammarly app, it doesn't matter what keyboard app you use. Grammarly icon will be here. So if you only edit text in the Grammarly app, you don't need to activate the Grammarly keyboard. The top menu has some options. If you have Grammarly Premium, you can check for plagiarism. We also have the document performance score to see how well it's written. Also, our goals to help Grammarly find the mistakes we want it to find. All the keyboard options are here. The keyboard is customizable, so you can make it your own. The Insights tab has your writing stats. It shows your productivity, vocabulary, and mastery. Also, Grammarly sends weekly emails that contain more insights to help you improve your grammar. Lastly, the account panel is to choose your account, manage your subscription, select your language, and contact support. We can also activate experimental features and change the app icon. So this is it. If you like this video, please check out my other related videos. See you next time. Take care.